Hi, I am Hannah Trisha Casarino from St. Summer State University in Borongan City. The hours that I need to render is 500 and currently an intern under IT Marketing Department. Ang mga usual kong ginagawa is mag-edit and mag-design ng posters and digital ads for different campaigns. Gumagawa rin ako and yung team ng PubMats for social media, and isa sa task ko is tumulong sa pag-create and pag-manage ng TikTok shop for the company products, from product uploading, editing photos, writing captions, and hanggang sa pag-optimize ng listings. Mas na-enhance yung graphic design skills ko, especially sa paggawa ng marketing materials na eye-catching. Natutunan ko rin kung paano mag-manage ng TikTok shop, including product listing optimization and basic analytics. Aside from technical skills, mas na-develop din yung communication skills ko, time management, and especially kapag may deadlines at revisions. Pinaka-challenging para sa akin is yung paggawa ng ads na kailangan ma-meet ang branding standards while making it appealing sa target audience. May pressure din minsan sa deadlines, lalo na pag sabay-sabay ang tasks. Pinaka-memorable naman is yung unang campaign na kaming team ang nag-design from concept to final output. Tapos, nakita ko siyang na-post online. Super fulfilling makita yung work niya na live na and may engagement. Natuto akong tumanggap ng feedback at mas naging responsible sa task ko. At natutunan ko rin how to work in a professional environment, from proper communication to meeting deadlines. Na-prepare ako ng OJT na to for real-world work dahil na-experience ko na ang actual workflow sa marketing and IT environment. Hindi lang siya theoretical, hands-on talaga. Mas na-ready ako mag-handle ng projects, mag-collaborate sa team, at mag-adjust sa fast-paced work setting. Thank you for the opportunity and trust. This experience helped me grow, not just as a student, but as a future professional. Once again, I am Hannah Trisha Casarino, team leader of IT Marketing from Batch 5.